Hello and welcome to Mr. Ridley's Design and Technology. In this clip we're looking at the sustainability of two different toothbrushes. So we have two toothbrushes here. We have a Colgate Extra Clean and we have an Ecoshoots bamboo toothbrush. So these are both adult toothbrushes. They're both available to buy in the UK and they were both manufactured in China. Having been manufactured in China, in terms of sustainability, means that some fossil fuels will have been expended to bring them to UK, but one is much smaller packaged. This was actually 3 toothbrushes in this packaging. This is a single one, but I think this is a smaller package, so perhaps more could be shipped for the same amount of space as this one. So if we take a look at the first one, so we put that one over here and we take a look at this one. So we take a look at the packaging first. The packaging is card, it's printed, and then there is a probably HIPS, high impact polystyrene, vacuum formed case here, tray. As I say, this actually holds 3 toothbrushes. There is a single pack one which is the same thing. It has a hook here, so in terms of sustainability, the card's great, it's biodegradable, but the plastic uses some fossil fuels and also is not biodegradable. So really, for recycling, the components of this would have to be separated. So we'd have to separate the card and the plastic at some point when they were being recycled. Okay, so let's have a look at this toothbrush. This toothbrush is made of polyethylene, probably, and it has a TPE, or a thermoplastic elastomer overmolding. So there are 2 components to this. It's what they call a 2-shot injection molding. It also has teeth which are possibly bristles which are possibly nylon. So this is 2 different types of plastic, 3 different types of plastic actually. It is recyclable, but as I say, there's the 3 different types of plastic. It's not biodegradable, it's made from fossil fuels. So that is the Colgate Extra Clean toothbrush. It is, in terms of usage, obviously the plastic is quite hygienic and be cleaned and washed and that, but at the end of its life, this is not biodegradable, and if it's recycled, it is 3 different types of plastic, which makes things a little bit more difficult. Now we can look at the this is the Ecoshoots. You can see that Ecoshoots bamboo toothbrush, and it says natural biodegradable handle, minimalistic design, uses yes material and yes energy, recycled biodegradable packaging, BPA free brushes, small head. Okay, so this packaging is already recycled, which is good, so that's a good thing, and they've deliberately set out to make the packaging as small as they can for the toothbrush, and actually keep the toothbrush, for an adult toothbrush, quite small. So that's the first thing. The next thing is the material. So this toothbrush, you can see that, is made from bamboo. Now bamboo is a very sustainable material. It's very fast growing. In fact, I think it's, if not the fastest growing plant in the world, one of the fastest growing plants. It absorbs CO2 and carbon at a huge rate, because obviously it grows at a huge rate, and it actually has a natural I don't know if you call it a resin or a sap inside it, which is antibacterial. So for a toothbrush, that's quite nice because it stops mold or anything growing on the toothbrush. The bristles are the same as the Colgate brush, so they are nylon, but the rest of the toothbrush and the packaging is all quite sustainable, and in terms of the bamboo material, very sustainable and easily recyclable. So the packaging is already recycled, and this toothbrush, at the end of its life, can be, if it goes into landfill, it will biodegrade, apart from, as I say, the bristles, which I suppose they haven't really found any fossil fuels. The tiny amount of fossil fuel is the bristles, the rest of it is quite sustainable. So really, if we're looking at these two products, we've got a quite sustainable product that uses some recycled packaging and uses a really sustainable material, bamboo, and then this one, which is made from oil, and the packaging uses oil as well, and is also not biodegradable. So there is a comparison between the sustainability of two different toothbrushes.